So you want build app, abi software. Wait first, no rush, go VS Code oh. Slow down. Make I gist you step by step the things wey you suppose do from beginning to the end. Things wey you need to watch out for, things wey you need to undo based on the last video where I talk about costing an app. This one, some people they talk say I jump some step, blah 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 blah. That one different. This one I want to talk about when you want build and they don't settle money. Wetin be the things where you need to do. Step one, you need to do requirement gathering. People with the handle are like business analysts or product managers. First, you go need to talk to users. You go ask them, wetin dey pain you wey this app go cure? So na business analyst or na product manager go handle am. If you skip this step, it's as ordinary as it sound. You go just dey build app wey nobody send. Now why some people go build app thing, they go release am, no use case, nobody send them, blah blah blah. Now like 4 download they get in wife and in children. With this thing we don't charge. Step 2, planning and documentation. Some people they do mistake that year they go start. No be here. You go first do requirement gathering first. I think some people they call them feasibility studies. That first one. So second one, planning and documenting. This one is still product manager or project manager. Now them they run am. So this one go talk about who they build waiting, when and how. You understand? So PMs or project managers, they in charge here. They go arrange the roadmap, the timelines, the deliverables, you know, so that they don't come let developers they freestyle or anybody just they do what they want. You know, go they freestyle. Leave freestyle for Wizkid, no be for software development. Nonsense. The third step, design. This one are for UI and UX designers, or we'll say product designers, Abi. I think so. So now at this stage, you don't reach to design. UI UX designers go sketch the wireframe, waiting the app go look like, waiting like the experience or the, you know, say UX stands for user experience. How the experience go be, which from which screen to which screen, which button they go click to take waka go here. You understand? Just the design. So they will sketch the wireframes, the mock-up, and the prototypes. Now they still sabi how to make button fine or how to make sure say the button, the whole process of doing this thing, now like 1 second. That's the user experience. Some designers don't even know this thing I just talk. Because it's app ugly, user go uninstall them. Like me, I don't go even install them first. One of the reasons why it take before I even get Twitter for my phone now, because the user experience they very bad. So step 4, development. Now here they divide that into front-end development, back-end development, DevOps, and blah blah blah. Database engineer and you know, like that. So front-end dev go build the part where user go see. We all know that. Abi? Back-end dev go set up logic, API, security, and you know, like that. Database engineer go. Talking about database engineer, most companies know they get for beginning, they not feel say it's important to get database engineer. We listen, we don't judge. When time reach, you go find them tire. Anyway, database engineer go arrange where info go day. Then DevOps guy go set pipelines, make everything for deploy smoothly. But I beg, try write clean code, where future you no go insult. Me had the experience every day for my old code. Step 5. Some people know they mention these things. Even me sometimes I dey jump am. Security. Security. It says I dey repeat am. Security. They jump and die. Those olden days when they build software, they go bring what they call that. I don't forget the name what they call it. They'll come say me they attack the app, me they check for the vulnerabilities and the rest. So that they'll feel report and then they'll fix all those things. Very important. This one are for security engineers, cyber security guys, and sometimes DevSecOps. Yes, development, security, and operations. Now you don't hear that one before. Join together so that you know you just go to build anyhow. Security in the blood of your app. Very important because security engineers and DevSecOps and they go make sure say password they well secured. No be that one where you go just say because you don't use Bcrypt take store them for DB everywhere sharp. They play no jam me. I go on encrypt and I go decrypt and just now your mind go day. They go make sure say API know they open like book at door like they won't go chop amala. They go make sure say the data safe from hackers. Very important because one small breach like this, hackers go chop your app like suya. Then step 6, testing. This one I hear QA engineers enter and testers. QA engineers go test every corner of the app. Unit integration UI they'll test everything. Security testing to still join for this place because if user go catch bug before you, baba, that premium disgrace. Promax. Then step 7, deployment. Now here DevOps or cloud engineer take enter. They go launch the app to production. If they no sabi, they go launch them to glory. You know what I mean? So AWS, Azure, Render, Vercel, just choose your battleground. because you still see shege. Secure your server so before Yahoo boys will go do party inside your server. Then step 8, we dey forget this one. Even me sometimes we dey forget them. Maintenance and iteration. Everyone plus support team. Now then they run this one. Everybody. Plus the support team na then they here. Because app no they finish. Support team go collect feedback. PMs go adjust roadmap. Devs and designers go improve the work. Plus always the patch security holes. You can never win these guys. You don't ever win them. Yeah, you don't ever win them. But at least minimize them. Because hackers, they know they sleep. So the Maggi and onions, the full ingredients, na requirement, planning, design, development, security, testing, deployment, and maintenance. So everybody get role. If you skip security, just be ready for CNN headline. Startup app leaks 10 million user passwords. Mono talk this story. Bye.